Right, it's Monday, December 23rd. Just following up with the SPY, I decided to just take basic gains on this and watch it. I've discussed on the first two videos how this is a very confusing kind of scenario in the big picture. We had a big 3 bar from yesterday heading up. We're right in the middle of that range. At the moment, we're opening the week below its weekly opening, but we're having a tricky time following through. So for me, at the moment, I don't see anything actionable today one way or the other. So I bought the 595 calls just based on the opening price action at 696. I scaled that at 790 and I exited the rest at 705. So overall small gain on this trade. I still think we're down on the day unless we get above the midpoint of this first bar. It's possible we get a green reversal. It's possible we continue lower and start hitting to the bottom of this range. But a lot of buying came in down there, so you don't know if we're going to hit that bottom. So anyway, just thought I'd just follow up that for me, just given the uncertainty and the fact that we didn't get strong follow through on this bar 3, I'm just exiting the trade, and that's fine. In the days ahead, there'll be more context as to what's developing on the weekly chart. After this big red bar, the question is, do we hold? You're possibly expecting that low to be tested, but you're also looking at the midpoint of that tail as a kind of a support area as well. So I don't know what's going to happen in the days ahead. For this to turn back up, I need that week daily chart to turn up, and at the moment that develops with a 3, maybe a 1 inside bar, and then a move back up type of thing. If this day just holds inside of Friday, so I don't know what's going to happen there. But at the moment, just given the fact we're not really following through all that strongly, I decided to just I don't want to break even overall. I'll just take a small gain, and I was going to see if momentum kicked into the downside, but when it didn't, I just decided to exit. So just following up, and there'll be more, I think clear opportunities in the indexes as the rest of the week goes on, or maybe even into next week.